Are you ready to make this Valentine's Day truly unforgettable? What if I told you that creating the perfect Valentine box could be as fun as it is heartwarming? In today's video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about designing beautiful, creative, and personalized Valentine boxes that everyone will adore. Whether you're crafting for a classroom exchange or a heartfelt gift, these ideas will spark your creativity and leave a lasting impression. What materials do you need to create a Valentine box? Starting with the right materials is the foundation of any successful craft project. When it comes to Valentine boxes, think durable, vibrant, and customizable. Look for a strong box that can handle embellishments and decorations, such as a shoebox, cereal box, or even a decorative tin. Gather colorful paper, glitter, glue, and ribbons to bring your vision to life. Don't forget tools like scissors, double-sided tape, and markers to make your work easier. And of course, add those special touches: stickers, faux flowers, or mini trinkets that represent love and happiness. If you're excited to see these ideas come to life, leave a comment below about your favorite Valentine craft supply. What are the best techniques for decorating a Valentine box? Decorating a Valentine box is where the magic happens. Layer your decorations for a three-dimensional effect by using foam stickers or cutouts. Metallic or glittered accents can instantly elevate the look, adding a glamorous touch. To personalize, write names or messages with calligraphy pens or alphabet stickers. And don't shy away from textures like velvet or burlap for a tactile, eye-catching element. Remember, the key to a standout design is a mix of creativity and care. Want to see more inspiring decor techniques? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun. How can you choose the perfect design theme? The magic of Valentine box decor is all about personalization. Start by thinking of themes that match the recipient's personality or the occasion. Is this for a romantic gesture or a fun school project? For romance, opt for elegant details like lace and soft pastels, while kids' boxes might feature favorite characters or bright, bold patterns. Inspiration can come from anywhere: nature, pop culture, or even your favorite desserts. Whatever theme you choose, ensure it captures the spirit of Valentine's Day in a way that feels special and heartfelt. For more creative themes, check the playlist linked in the description. What are some quick hacks for last-minute Valentine boxes? Short on time? No problem. Transform a plain box using wrapping paper or pre-made Valentine-themed kits. Use printable templates to quickly create decorative cutouts without the hassle of hand drawing. Adhesive embellishments like glitter stickers or foam shapes can save time while still making a big impact. And if you're in a real pinch, grab a gift bag and dress it up with ribbons and tags for a fast and festive alternative. For more quick DIY solutions, watch the other videos in the description. How can you involve kids in making their Valentine boxes? Making a Valentine box with kids is a perfect way to bond and spark their creativity. Let them choose their favorite colors, themes, or characters to make the box truly theirs. Use safe, kid-friendly supplies like washable glue and child-safe scissors. Encourage them to add their own drawings or handwriting to personalize the design further. By guiding them while allowing for their unique touches, you'll create not just a box, but cherished memories of working together. Love this idea? Show your support with a like and share this video with other parents. How can you add a functional yet stylish touch to the box? Every Valentine box needs a way to collect all those love notes and goodies. Cut a card slot on top or the side of your box, ensuring it's large enough for envelopes. Decorate the slot with a matching border, like scalloped edges or glitter tape, to blend it seamlessly into your design. You can even add a small drawer or flap to keep cards secure. The key is to balance functionality with the overall aesthetic, so that your box isn't just pretty, but also practical. Check out the description for a list of tools that make crafting a breeze. And there you have it, Valentine box ideas that are beautiful, functional, and brimming with creativity. Remember, it's not just about the final product, but the joy of crafting something special for the people you love. Whether you're making a heartfelt gift or a fun classroom project, these ideas will leave everyone impressed. So which design idea will you try first? Let me know in the comments below and make this Valentine's Day one to remember.